guys, my name is Tommy Jackson. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to edit using iMovie. This tutorial is completely free. All you need is your phone. Hold on. Is your phone in the iMovie app. In iMovie, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a montage. Montages give your videos that pop. It gives the video that wow factor. It's the thing that sets your video apart from everyone else. It can be that thing that gives you the opportunity to take the most boring things and give it life. So, you probably already know one of the items that I'm gonna choose, but I'm gonna choose a bucket of cheese balls, some milk, and a regular old worn down stool. But let's go ahead and get into the video though, and I'm gonna give you guys a step-by-step method on how I actually did it. Dope, right? And only use one phone for that shot. Okay, so I don't know if I'm the person that does this, but I choose my music first. Copyright strikes is something that you want to avoid on YouTube. So I'm subscribed to this channel. It's called Copyright Sounds. There you can grab music and use it for free. Guys, music is the most important piece to making a montage. Without it, it'd be a bunch of random clips just stuck together without any meaning. You want to choose music that matches the scenery. Like, for example, if I was to throw some sad music onto that montage, it wouldn't be right with it. So choose your music carefully. So if you don't have YouTube Premium, this is what you'll do. First, what you'll do, you'll screen record the music, then you'll bring it to that iMovie app. You'll add that video and you'll detach it. Don't delete the actual video just yet. You want to wait a while until you get like some clips flowing, and then you're gonna drag that detached audio and you're gonna put it under your new sound that you want to start on. Okay, now I'm finna show you guys how to record a montage. Please never record a YouTube video like this. I hate to see people do it. Never record a YouTube video like this. Always record it like this. This is how you record a video on your phone. Now that you guys understand that, let me go ahead and show you guys how to do the montage. If you guys want to do the same thing, you know, like how I use my cameras as props, you guys can use different things as props. You don't necessarily have to use the cameras like I did. You can use other things to make an object stand out. Okay, for this part, what I did, I shot it in time-lapse mode. And I circle round and round. Just do it a lot of time because time-lapse mode go really fast. And it got that perfect full circle, speedy shot just right for me. Exactly what I needed for the montage. Now that you record that clip, go ahead and take it over to iMovie. In iMovie, go ahead and grab that audio and put it right at the beginning of your time-lapse clips. Then go back to the end of the time-lapse clip. Click the audio clip. Cut that, then you should be able to delete the screen recorded video that you took. After you delete the video, grab the audio clip again, go forward a little bit, then go all the way to the end. That way ideas can flow through your head better and you can get a general idea of how you want to shoot your montage. And sometimes when you shoot in time-lapse mode, it seems like it's just a little bit too slow. So what you'll do, you'll play with the speed and you'll adjust to what suits your video best. Okay, for this clip, I use slow-mo. So go ahead and grab that clip and put it into the iMovie app. Okay, here's where you get a little chicken, not much, but just a little. It's slow-mo, then time-lapse, then slow-mo, then slow-mo. Okay, the first one I kind of like stuck my hand out in the slow-mo recording just to get my hand get close to the glass, almost as if it's going in. And then I actually put my hand in the milk and brung it up. Next, I shot it in slow-mo and I held my fingers out until milk dripped from my hands, and I got that in slow-mo. I dipped my finger back in the milk again, and then I put the phone over my hand, and then I let it like drip into the milk one more time, and I got like the driplet dripping into the milk. This is where the money actually comes in at. This is something I bought a while back. It cost about $20. It's called a monopod. This is how I made the phone go up into the ceiling fan. You can either use this or you can use the selfie stick. The selfie stick should get the job done. This is how I made the phone go up to the ceiling fan. I turned it on and I shot it in slow-mo. When I brought it back down, that time lapse and put it back inside of the milk. Then what I did, I took the first shot, then I duplicated and just put it at the end so I can get like this other spin where the music says, we finna turn it up. That's one thing that I don't think that I mentioned earlier in the video. I forgot to tell you that you wanna make like your montage match so it can seem like everything just flows when the beat drops. You can get like this movement going on in your montage. As the beat flow, your montage flows with it. And for this shot, this is actually an easy shot. All I did was kept this stationary position and held the phone steady. Let me do a recap. In order to shoot a montage with your phone, you'll need to use time-lapse mode, slow-mo, and video. Those are the 3 things that you use when you're making a montage on your phone. Now that you guys kind of got the feel of how to record a montage, let's go ahead and grab all of those clips and bring them on to Imovie. Okay, when you get all those videos to Imovie, what you should do, you should piece everything together so that it match. Of course, you're gonna be shooting with 3 different modes of the camera on your phone. But when you shoot with the 3 different modes, you want it to match. Like when I shot this with the slow-mo, I kind of matched it out with the time lapse, so it'll look like one shot. You want your video to have some sort of unison, as if it was all shot on its first take. And to make it more cinematic, add a color grade to it to make it look even better. And that's how I make my montages using Imovie. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. My name is Tommy Jackson. You guys are now part of the Jax fam, where videos are lit and only gonna get litter. That skydiving video is still coming soon. So guys, stay tuned for that. Turn on that post notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, guys, the new car video is coming out soon. Jax fam, we doing things big this way.